In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize featured products in Shopify. Whether you're new to Shopify or just looking to refine your store design, understanding how to present your featured products can make a significant impact on your sales and customer engagement. First, we'll start by navigating to the left panel of your Shopify admin dashboard, where you should see the option labeled Products. Go ahead and click on it. Once we're in the Products section, look for and click on Collections. Collections are essentially groups of products that you can organize according to your needs, such as featured products, sale items, or seasonal items. To highlight your chosen products, you'll need to create a new collection that will house these featured items. So, let's create a collection by selecting the option Create Collection. Here, you can give your collection a name, something that represents your featured products effectively. Don't forget to add each product you wish to feature into this new collection. This step is crucial because the products you add to this collection are the ones that will be displayed on your main store's page. Next, it's time to move to your site editor. The site editor is where you can visually customize how your store looks, including deciding what will be featured on different sections of your page. Once you're into the site editor, locate the Featured Products section. This will allow you to specify which collection you want to display on your homepage. Click on this section to open its settings. On the right side of your editor, the settings panel should appear. This is where you'll find various customization options for the Featured Products section. You'll notice an option for collections displayed as a drop-down menu. Click on this drop-down menu and select your newly created collection. This step is the key to having your chosen featured products shine on your store's front page. And there you go. In a few simple steps, you have successfully set up your featured products on Shopify. It's a straightforward process that can really help highlight important products in your store. If at any point you'd like to change which products are featured, you have a couple of ways to do this. You can either change the collection linked to your featured products section by creating a new collection with different products, or edit the existing collection to swap out products as needed. Both options give you flexibility in how you manage and refresh your store's offerings. That's all for today. Customizing the featured products on Shopify is a manageable task that can greatly enhance your store's appearance and customer engagement. Thank you for watching, and happy customizations.